Hi, my name is Yashvi Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this channel, we talk about poetry and life. In my previous video, I gave you 3 reasons why you need to start writing. Today, I'm going to share you the process of how to write journal like a poet. As you know, I am a poet and author of the book North Star, and I have did all of that because I started writing in my diaries. So today I am going to share my process. So let's quickly begin it. The first part of writing a journal is to start with an aim. To start with an aim. Now, the aim can be anything. It is a milestone event that occurred that you need to record, or it can be a simple vent out of feeling. And don't be scared. This is not a scientific experiment that you have to accomplish the aim. You just have to start things with an aim. Now that you have an aim, you need to start with feeling. What are you feeling? In just one line. The first sentence of your diary should be a feeling. It can be as simple as I am tired, I am happy, life is good, I am done, or it can even be I don't know. But it should start with a feeling. Now you have a feeling. Now you need to jot down the incidents. You need to jot down why do you feel this manner. Okay, now become a storyteller. Do whatever you want to do, but don't write fiction. Stick to the facts. See, there is a difference between bookkeepers and writers. Bookkeepers will document the event, the series of incidents and series of happenings. But writers, they will walk you through the series of emotions, the feelings, the vulnerability, and the textures of the mindset. Now you have recorded the feelings of that incident, right? Now the final point is, which is you need to express your reaction towards it. Now, whatever event that took place, that can be negative or positive. Now, it is your responsibility as a human that you need to point it towards a higher end. You need to take it towards a positive end. Okay? If something happy has happened, now you need to write what will be your next course of action. If something negative has happened, you still need to write what is the next course of action of yours. And see if something helpless has happened, something very vulnerable has happened, and there is nothing you can do about it. You need to train your mind in a way that how will you accept this situation, and finally try to take it on a gratitude note. Okay, because that is the only way you will get a reason to wake up tomorrow from this darkest night of yours, right? Now, this is a process. You might feel it is a very complicated process, but it is not. It is very simple. To start with an aim, followed by the first line of your feeling, followed by justify what you feel this way, and lastly, express your reaction and take it on a positive note. Now, maybe you are questioning that how will this make you write poems, or how will this make you a better author or writer? Well, if you have done all of this, first is you are no longer in writer's block, you have gained your momentum, right? Second is now you know what you are feeling, and now you know why you want to express. Now you have 3 to 4 set of emotions, and you need to pick which one emotion to be as a subject for your next poem. Hmm? And trust me, these exercises actually have given birth to many beautiful poems from my end. One such poem is I Accept My Reality. Let me recite it to you. It goes like I accept all the things around me. The harsh warmth of an afternoon, the confused colors of the evening. I have been trying to change my life, but all I could change was my perspective. I can't seem to change the story, so all I could change was my narrative. I will fulfill my dreams before being embraced by mortality. But today, for now, I accept my reality. So, that is how I write my journal, being a poet and now a published author of the book North Star. Our book is now available in 150 plus countries on Amazon and in Flipkart on India. So, that was today's video. See you next week with another video about poetry. Till then, take care of yourself, keep writing, and do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.